Hey everybody, welcome back to my Frosty's Kitchen YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be making some amazing banana bread. This is the same recipe that you'll find over at my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel, which went viral a little while ago, and I've got over 1 million views on it. So what we need for our recipe: 2 cups of flour, 300 grams. 1 cup of walnuts, 100 grams. 1 cup of chocolate chips, 100 grams. 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 200 grams. A half a cup of butter, 114 grams. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams. 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 7 grams. A half a teaspoon of salt, 2 grams. A half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 gram. 3.5 large bananas, 452 grams. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. To make this super easy, I'm going to take all of our dry ingredients and put them together. Our cinnamon, our baking soda, and our salt. The salt is optional because I am using salted butter. So you can omit the salt if you wish. So just mix that up a little bit. That's good. For my first step, we'll get all of our very ripe bananas into a large bowl. And then I'm just going to use a potato masher and break all these down. And you can see how easily this happens with this little tool. And then I'm going to add in my 2 eggs. And I always crack my eggs into separate bowls so I don't get any shells into the main bowl. Just easier that way. I'll grab a whisk and just start whisking all this together. So you can do this entire recipe without an electric mixer. That's good. And then all of our melted butter. Oh, this is going to be good. Get all of that out. That's good. Mix that in. Vanilla. Mix that in. This is a super easy recipe. And then all of our white granulated sugar. Mix that in. And then we'll start adding in our flour. So just mix that until it's well combined. That's good. All of our chocolate chips and our walnuts. And off camera, I just chop them before I add them in here. And then just mix that in. And that is it for the recipe. And I have greased a glass bowl, and we're just going to get it into there. Okay, that's good. Just for an optional step, I'm going to add a few walnuts to the top. So if you've got extra walnuts, throw them on. There, that's good enough. Now I'm going to pop this into my oven, I'll bake it, and then I'll be back. Hey everybody, I am back. I baked my banana bread for exactly 50 minutes at my 350-degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. It's still a little bit warm, but I'm going to try to pop it out. And I did try to just take my knife, my little palette knife, and just make sure that I'm going to get a clean break here. I just did that before I started the camera, but I'll do it again. So I usually just go around. You just want to make sure that you do this so that it releases from the bowl, you know, your cooking vessel. Anyway, let's check it out and see if we can get this out. Flip it over. Yeah, it's warm, but it's not. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Oh, look at that. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh, that is nice. A little bit of browning on the four edges, but overall everything else is really nice. No burning on the sides or the bottom. If you notice that your edges are starting to burn, I should have done this as well. You can take a little piece of aluminum foil and just put it over the top of it in the last 15 or 20 minutes of your bake time. That looks great. Okay, I'm just going to let it sit here for, I don't know, about half an hour, and then we'll cut into it. Alright, I cannot wait any longer. Let's cut into this. Oh, look at that. Oh, that looks amazing. I am always impressed with this recipe. That looks just awesome. Oh, perfectly baked. Let's bring this over here. And look at this. If I do this, you can just see how moist this is. Look at this. Bring on the butter. Oh, nice cup of coffee or tea, and you are ready to go. I'm going to go in for a little bite. Oh, this is, smells so good. Mmm. Mmm. It just melts in your mouth. Yum. Alright, I just finished that piece and that was amazing. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. If you love banana bread, you gotta give my recipe a try. You're gonna try this once and you're gonna be making it all the time. If you want to see the video on my Bake Like a Pro channel that went viral, I'll put a link to it underneath this video in the description box. I also have this recipe in muffins, so if you like muffins better, you can use this for muffins, and the muffins are amazing as well. So thanks very much again for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm going in for another little bite. Mmm. Oh, that is so good.